Welcome back, children. Welcome back to my channel. Now I'm doing 6th class maths, fractions and decimals. In that, I need to do addition and subtraction of decimals. So let us first think about normal additions. Some examples I'll take for normal additions like 3542 plus 147. This is the number you are going to add. So what you will write? First you will write this number 3542. After writing this, when you are writing the second number, how do you keep the digits here? You take concentration upon units, tens, hundreds. So units digit will be under units digit 7, tens digit under 7, tens digit 4, 100 digits under 100 digits 1. Now you are going to add, that is 9, 8, 6, 3. This is the answer. So in this, of course, you know this, children, just as a recollection I am doing. In this, the main important task is how are you keeping the numbers, the digits of the numbers under correct place. If you are keeping the digits, you are going to get the correct answer. If you are keeping it as you like, you are not going to get the correct answer. So this is the basic rule that you are going to follow when you are adding or subtracting any two numbers. Now here we are going to talk about decimal additions. When you are talking about decimal additions, see, the same thing, suppose I have taken 35.42. 35.42 is added to 14.7. So these are the two decimals. When I am adding these two decimals, first one as it is I have to write. Then this one, when I am writing it here, you are not supposed to see just like here units, tens here. Decimal is very important. So keep the decimal here, children. Means this decimal I have kept it here. Now this decimal is dividing the whole number into integral part and decimal part. So integral part starts with units place, tens place. So here also integral part and decimal part. Units place is here. So 4 will come under this units place, 1 will come under this tens place. Next, this is called 1/10 place or tens place, 1 by 10 place. That means TE and THS. Tens, hundreds, thousands, you will get like that. So tens place is immediately after the decimal. So I have to keep 7 here. Next, here one number is there, I don't have anything, so there is no problem if you keep 0 also. So when you are adding 2, 7 plus 4, 11, carry over goes there, 5 plus 4, 9, 1, 10, this is 5, 50.12 is the answer. So this is how you are going to add. So in addition, what is the importance in decimals? Decimals should coincide. Integral parts will start from units, tens, hundreds. Decimal parts will start from tenths, hundredths, thousandths, like that. So, careful, children. If here the arrangement is not properly done, your whole problem will go wrong. So, I hope I am clear, children. Please copy this. This is only example. As an example, introductory part I have taught. We will be doing, do these sums now. Now, so do these sums. The first bit, it is nothing but to find first bit 0.39 plus 0.26. So 0.39 after decimal you should cannot call it as 39 children. 39 you have to say. So the second one decimal below decimal I have kept. So in integral part I have 0 and 2 and 6. When integral part from right to left you go. When decimal from this is from left to right you are going and indicating the numbers. So 9 plus 6, 15, 6. 0.65 is the answer for the first bit. And the second bit 0.8 plus 0.07. So again you see 0.8 I have written. So this decimal I have written here. This 0 I have written here. This 0 tenths place should come here. And this 7 should come here. So after it no number means you can take 0. There is no need, no problem if you take 0 because there is no value for this 0. Okay. For your convenience sake you can take. So 7, 8, 0.87 is your answer. Now, let us see the third bit 1.445 plus 1.90. So, first we'll write 1.45, then decimal I have written. So, our units place here is 1, here tenth place is 9, then 0. 5, 13, 3. 3.35 is the answer for this problem. Now, fourth bit 3.44 plus 1.58. So, 3.44 after writing decimal I have written 1 I have written here 5 and 8. 8 for 12, this is 10, this is 5. This is the answer for this. So these are the do this problems children. 4 problems are there. Please copy. Now we will see example 1. Example 1, add 3.64 plus 5.4. So 3.64 decimal I have taken here 5, here 4. So 0. 4, 10, 9. 9.04 is the answer for it. Next, example 2. Salma is practicing. Salma is practicing. It goes on like this. Let me read the problem, children. Salma is practicing for her school sports day. She runs 3.27 kilometers in the morning and 2.8 kilometers in the evening. How much does she run in all? So, distance run. Distance run by Salma. First bit in the morning. How much she has run? It is uh, 3.27 kilometers. 3.27 kilometers. And second one, in the evening. How much she ran? 2.8 kilometers. So decimal here 2 and 8. 8 means 80. You can write kilometers. 2.8 means 2.80 you can take. So what is the question? How much did she run in all? So total distance run. Total distance run. How much you have to add these two? This is 7, 8 plus 2, 10, 6.07 kilometers she has run all the whole. This is example 2, children. Please copy. Now we will see example 3. Subtract 1.23 from 2.85. After from, you have to take this number. First you have to take this, then this. From 2.85. So write first 2.85 minus, see decimal here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now subtraction. 5 minus 3, 2, 8 minus 2, 6, 2 minus 1, 1. 1.62 is the answer that we have got. This is third example, children. Next. The next one is subtract example 4. Subtract 2.89 from 4.5. 2.89 from 4.5. So let me take first 4.5 from this. After from, you have to take first. Then 2.89. So decimal here, integral part 2 I have written here, 8 and 9. So 8 in tenths place, 9 in hundredths place. But here there is no place, no number for hundredths place, so I am taking 0. Now I need to subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1, 4 here. So 14, borrowing here. 14 minus 8, 6. Point. Here 3 minus 2, 1. 1.61 is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now we will go to exercise 7.5. Exercise 7.5. First one. Sonu went to a shop. Sonu went to a shop. It goes on like this. Let me read. Sonu went to a shop. He wanted to buy a chikki and a toffee. One chikki costs rupees 0.75 and a toffee costs rupees 0.50. If he buys one each of them, that means one chikki, one toy he has purchased, one toffee he has purchased. How much he has to pay to the shopkeeper? What is the amount that he has to pay? Sonu's mother gave him rupees 2. He is having actually 2 rupees because he carried 2 rupees to the shop. How much will he get in return? So 2 rupees when he has given to the shopkeeper, after giving a toffee and a chikki, he has to give the remaining amount. So how much amount is he getting? Suppose if his mother gave her, his mother gave him, it should be rupees 5, then how much will the shopkeeper return? If the amount is not 2 but 5 rupees, how much amount will be returned? This is the question, children. So, what is the cost? Cost of chikki. How much? 0.75 rupees. And cost of toffee is rupees 0.50. So, what is the total cost? You have to add 5, 12 rupees, 125. 1 rupee 25 paisa is the amount that he has to pay. So, how much he has to pay to the shopkeeper? He has to pay rupees 1.25. This is first answer for this bit. And the next one, how much he has to pay to the shopkeeper? Sonu's mother gave him rupees 2. How much will he get? So, amount given by mother is rupees 2. 0 paisa. So, spent in the sense he has purchased rupees. What is the total? 1.25. So, what is the amount returned? Amount returned. How much he gets back? So, here 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 0.75 rupees. That is 75 paisa he gets returned. Now, if mother gives 5 rupees, in case how much will he get in return? And suppose mother gave him, it should be rupees 5. How much will the shopkeeper return? So, second bit, amount given by mother is equal to rupees 5. Amount spent is rupees same, 1 rupee 25 paisa. So, amount returned is equal to, you have to subtract 5 here, 9 minus 2, 7 here, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 rupees 75 paisa is the answer, children. Please copy it. This is solution of the first problem. Now, we will see the second one. Add the following decimal fractions. Add the following decimal fractions. So the first one is 25.11 plus 3.80. So 25.11 decimal integral part 3 decimal part 80. So when you are adding 1982, this is the answer for the first bit. And second bit 14.01 plus 1.1 plus 1.98. So 14.01 decimal 1 here 1.1 again decimal 198. So here you can keep 0. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 4 plus 3 7 and 1 17.09 is the answer. Next third one 9.85 plus 0.61. So 9.85 decimal 0 here 6 and 1 6 here 14 here 10 10.46 is the answer for the third bit. Fourth bit 2.3 plus 18.94. So write 2.3 decimal 8 in units place 1 in tens place 9 in tens place 4 here. So here nothing with 0. So you have 4 here 9 12 here. This is 10 11 2 21.24 is the answer. Fifth bit 2.57 plus 3.75. So 2.57 decimal 375. So 12 here, 13 here, 5, 6. 6.32 is the answer. So please copy it, children. Now, third problem. Abhishek traveled 5 kilometers. Abhishek traveled, it goes on like this. Let me read the problem. Abhishek traveled 5 kilometers 28 meters by bus, 2 kilometers 265 meters by car, and the rest 1 kilometer 30 meters on foot. How much distance did he travel in all? Total distance you have to write. So, distance traveled by, first one is how much, what is that? By bus. How much? 5 kilometers, so this is kilometers and meters. 5 kilometers 28 meters. And then by car. By car. By car 2 kilometers 265 meters. 2 kilometers 265 meters. So it should be like this. And then by on foot. On foot. How much he has traveled? 1 kilometer, 30 meters. So total distance traveled. Total distance. How much? So here 0 you can keep. Here 0 you can keep. So here 5. Here 14. Here 3, 4, 6, 8. And here 3, 5, 7, 8. So total distance traveled. Therefore, total distance traveled is equal to 8 kilometers 845 meters. This is the answer, children. This is third problem. Copy it. Now we will see fourth one. Mrs. Vaikuntham. Fourth one. Mrs. Vaikuntham bought, let me read the problem. Mrs. Vaikuntham bought 6.25 meters of dress material for her older daughter and 5.75 meters for younger one. How much dress material did she buy for her daughters? So total how much she has purchased. So uh, she has bought. So the cloth dress material purchased. Dress material bought for first one is older daughter. Older daughter. How much? It is 6.25 meters. 6.25 meters. And for younger daughter, how much she has purchased? 5.75 meters. So the question is how much dress material she buy. So total is nothing but total dress material bought. Total dress material bought is equal to 5 plus 5, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 12 meters. This is the answer, children. Please copy it. So with this chapter is completed, children. We will see the next chapter in the next class.